Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change your desktop background in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on Personalization. Here you will see background, and in background there are three types: picture, and you can select any picture. And also you can use your own picture. For use your own picture, click on Browse. Now select your own picture. Click on Choose Picture. And also you can fill and customize, fit, stretch, tile, center, and span. Another option in background, solid color. Choose your background color which you want. And last one is the slide show. So random picture will appear on your desktop. You can change picture every 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 minute. You can turn on shuffle, allow slideshow when on battery power, so you can customize, turn on or turn off. And also you can choose fit this color, and you can custom color. So friends, by this method you can change desktop background in Windows 10. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.